Amazon is deleting product reviews left, right and center. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you what's going on at the moment, why they are doing this, so that you can prevent your reviews from getting deleted and keep your Amazon Seller Central account safe. So by now, you have probably heard all of the different rumors in regards to Amazon FBA and getting product reviews. But in this video, I'm going to be going through them rumors and giving you actual facts, showing you what is working and what's not working. But to do that, I'm going to jump onto my computer and show you where most of these rumors have came from, which is a Viral Launch article. So I'm just going to move over my screen here so that you can see exactly what I'm seeing on this. So I hope that you can see that now. And to find this actual article, just go to Google and type in Viral Launch Amazon removing reviews 2018 and you will get the article. So I'm just going to click into this article now so that I can go through it with you and explain what parts of it are true, what parts of it are just rumors, and what you can do to avoid having your reviews deleted. Okay, so I'm going to go through the points that they make in this article in great detail in this video so that you don't have to read through it. I'm going to summarize it for you here. And I'm also going to show you what parts are just rumors, because some of this isn't true in my experience on Amazon yet. So I'm going to go through that with you and show you actual results on Amazon so that you can see this for yourself and take away what you need to know in order to avoid getting your reviews deleted and to keep your Amazon Seller Central account safe. So I'm just going to scroll down now to the first point and go through that one with you. So the first point that they make in this article is that Amazon is removing reviews, or the Great Amazon Review Abduction 2018. And basically what they go through here is they give you a graph showing you the amount of reviews that have been removed between May 1st and May 31st. But the first point that I want to make on this is that this has been happening for a lot longer than May 1st. I shot a video back in March 2018 showing exactly what was happening and explaining a lot of this, as well as explaining to you how you can go about getting safe reviews in 2018. So I will link up that video below. Again, that's a longer video. I think it's like half an hour long, but it goes through all of the different ways that you can actually get reviews in 2018, the ways that stick, because I noticed a lot of reviews getting deleted, and that was back in March 2018. So although they have just shown here from May 1st to May 31st, and they show the amount of reviews removed, and they go down here and they show a graph of it, this has been happening a lot longer than May 1st, 2018. But basically what they are showing you is by category, because some categories were hit harder than others. And a lot of this is mainly down to some categories just having more products, or having products that have more product reviews, like cell phone and accessories and health and household. These are big categories, and that's why they would have lost a lot of reviews. The biggest takeaway from this point is that Amazon are watching reviewers and they're also watching sellers. So if they see any like spikes, massive spikes in reviews from sellers, they're clamping down on these, as well as this. If they're watching reviewers and they're seeing that reviewers are leaving all 5-star reviews, getting lots of discount codes, and just in general leaving short, low quality reviews, they're clamping down on these and simply deleting these reviews. And as I've warned in a lot of past videos, the worst place to get reviews is from review groups. And whether you're using review groups on Facebook or review services, either way, when you get reviews from review groups, Amazon are more than likely going to pick up that this is from a reviewer from a review group, because the way they leave reviews and the frequency that they're leaving reviews, as well as having reviewed products in the past using lots of discount codes, they seem to be cracking on and finding out who the reviewers are from review groups. So definitely using review groups is not a method that you should do in 2018. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll down now to the next point in this article, and they just go through a few different products here that they show that have lost reviews, and one of the products have gone from 1,000 reviews down to like 60 something reviews, which is crazy. And for that to have happened, Amazon must have noticed that they have got the reviews by breaking Amazon's terms of service, and that is why they've deleted so many of them reviews. Then the next point that is made in this article is that some reviews are being blocked, so they're simply not allowed to leave a review when they go to leave a review. And they explain why this is happening. They explain that you're only allowed to receive 3 unverified reviews a day, and you're only allowed to receive 6 to 8 verified reviews each day. I believe that it's a lot more to do with who the reviewer is than what this article or this point in this article is making out. For example, I think if you get 6 to 8 purchases today, and then tomorrow you get 6 to 8 verified reviews on them purchases, you're going to get some of these reviews deleted for the simple fact that Amazon knows you're not going to have a 100% review rate on your product or anything like that. The average amount of reviews you're getting is around 3%, and that's from sending out a follow-up email after a customer purchases a product asking them to review it. So again, you can go slightly higher, but once you start going over 10-20% review rate on your product, this is going to look suspicious to Amazon. You're going to have a higher likelihood of getting these reviews deleted. And the same way with unverified reviews. I don't know if this is an actual cap that they're only allowing 3 reviews, 3 unverified reviews each day. But again, if you're getting unverified reviews from a reviewer who has left a lot of unverified reviews in the past, and Amazon deemed this reviewer to be a fraudulent reviewer and simply getting paid to leave reviews, then Amazon is going to delete this review, whether it's just 1 unverified review you received that day or 3 of them from the same type of reviewer. Amazon's simply going to delete these reviews. So I don't know, how much of this is actually true, that you can only receive 3 different unverified reviews or 6 to 8 verified reviews. But what you should watch is who the reviewer is that's leaving the review. So they're not just someone who's in a review group or has been in a review group in the past and are simply flagged up on Amazon's system as someone who leaves low quality or fraudulent reviews, because these will definitely get deleted. So as always, when you're launching your product, we'll say if you launch them out and get 20 sales in your first few days, that if you go and get 20 reviews on these products, then you're obviously going to get a few of these reviews deleted, because the review rate is simply extremely high on this. Whereas if you get 20 sales and you go and get 2 or 3 reviews, then these reviews are more than likely going to be left, if they're left by good reviewers, because your review rate will not be extremely high on these reviews. So the key takeaway here is to have a larger list to launch to, so that you don't need every single person who makes a purchase to leave a review on your product. And the good news is that with Amazon clamping down and removing a lot of other reviews from suspected fraudulent reviewers, that you won't need as many reviews in the future to get up and get competitive on Amazon. Yes, you will still need to catch up to your competitors, but if you're catching up to competitors who were getting a lot of fraudulent reviews, then this would have been extremely hard in the past. Whereas if a lot of these reviews are getting deleted, or even all of these reviews are getting deleted, then you won't need to have as many reviews to be competitive and be able to compete with these products for the customers that are searching for your products on Amazon. So I'm just going to scroll down now and go down to the third point. And the third point here is that reviews are split by variation. And again, they give an example here of where this has happened. And this may have happened with some products as shown here, but it has definitely not happened with all product listings. I have product listings with product variations, and none of these reviews have been split up yet. That doesn't mean that they're not going to go and split up all variations and all product listings in the future, showing only the reviews left on each variation, but it definitely hasn't started on all product listings yet. And this goes on Amazon.com in the US, Amazon UK, and all of the EU platforms. I haven't noticed that they haven't split up any of my reviews yet based on the variation that it's on. And I've even gone on and looked on Amazon, and I can show you now. So if we go over to Amazon and type in any product, so I'll just go for iPhone case, because this is a product that will have variations. We'll just see here what's going on with it. So let's scroll down to the first organic listing. Don't know if this has variations, but I'll just click on this one now. So this one has different variations, and as you can see here, has 3,085 customer reviews. So that is the pink color, and that has 3,085, and then the red color has 3,085, and the blue color has 3,085, and so on. All the different product variation still show the same amount of reviews. So again, you can scroll down and you can see them by their variations down here. So you can see this one is by black, this one is by rose gold, but they're still all together. And this is the same way with my product listings. They haven't split them up yet. So although Viral Launch say that Amazon are splitting these up, this hasn't happened with all product listings, and I'm not 100% sure that it will happen with all product listings. So the main point to take away from this one is to still put all of your variations together and just get reviews on them, because they're still showing up as the one on most product listings, although they do show here that on some product listings Amazon are splitting them up based on variation. So if you get 10 reviews on a black cover, that it's not going to show 10 reviews on the pink cover. It's only going to show how many reviews were actually left on the pink cover. And this may happen in the future, but it definitely hasn't started happening to all product listings just yet. So I'm just going to scroll down now and go down to the next point. So the next point is seller feedback lost to a new rolling 12-month system. Again, this has been around for a while. It's not something that's new, and this doesn't make any difference to you if you're a new seller or if you're an experienced seller. Basically, what Amazon are showing is your seller feedback for the last 12 months, and they're not showing it for all time. Again, this has changed a while ago. It doesn't make any real difference to you or to your product listing. If you are doing retail or online arbitrage, then it will make a small difference, because you'll be competing against sellers who also have seller feedback, and this is something that customers will watch before they purchase off you. They will watch and see what customer feedback you do have. But this again is not a big decisive point from a customer standpoint, because most customers think that they're actually purchasing the product direct off Amazon. So as long as you're shipping with Prime, this is not a big decisive factor. And if anything, it will definitely help new sellers out, because you won't be competing against sellers that have been selling for a long time, that have a lot of different customer feedback, down through the years. So for the likes of me that have been selling since 2013 on Amazon, I have a lot of feedback on my product listings, whereas a new seller that's only been selling for a couple of months won't have that. It will only be going back 12 months, so it will be making the playing field more even across new and existing sellers. So I'll just scroll down now to the fifth point. So the Great Amazon Review Purge. Basically what this point is on about is saying that Amazon are deleting seller accounts that the sellers are actually breaking Amazon's terms of service. So do not, under any circumstances, go out and purchase reviews. This is clearly incentivizing reviews. And if you do purchase reviews, whether you repay them with PayPal or however you pay them back for leaving a review on your product, eventually you will get caught. This is not a good long-term system. So do not pay for reviews however you go about doing it, because you will eventually get caught and have your Amazon Seller Central account removed. And it's simply not worth it, because Amazon will not allow you to set up a new Seller Central account under your own name if you do incentivize reviews and get caught and have your seller account removed. It's not going to be as simple as just setting up a new account in your own name again, because Amazon will not allow you to do this after your account has been removed this way. And the sixth point in this article just goes in on Amazon suspension changes and Amazon accounts, and it just goes into further detail what they've gone in already, as well as explaining that some of the Amazon top reviewers' reviews have been deleted, and that Amazon sellers have even had their accounts suspended for 21 days. But again, this just goes back to who is reviewing your products. And if the reviewer is deemed by Amazon, whatever means Amazon has for deeming this, if the reviewer is deemed to be leaving fraudulent reviews, Amazon will remove these reviews. And that is why using any launch services or, review groups is risky in 2018, for the simple fact that Amazon will deem a lot of these reviewers in these review groups and using launch services, whether that's Viral Launch or other launch services, to be fraudulent reviewers. Whereas for me, when I've got reviews left by the top 10,000 reviewers, these reviews haven't got deleted, and I've never received any warning about these reviews in the past. So these have always been good for me. But you have to judge them for yourself. It's only you that will look after your own Seller Central account. So make sure that you use only legitimate ways, that you are not incentivizing reviews and breaking Amazon's terms of service. And to do this, there is only one simple way to do it. So, I get it's very easy to say, oh, don't use any of these other tactics to get reviews, because it's extremely difficult to get reviews if you're just waiting on organic customers to leave reviews, or customers who have purchased your product through Amazon PPC, because it's extremely hard to get PPC sales if you don't have reviews. It's very hard to get organic sales if you don't have reviews. So the only clear-cut way is by having your own list to launch your products to. Again, not generating this list from a review group or from the likes of Viral Launch or Zomblast or any of these, because a lot of these reviewers will not be clean reviewers in Amazon's eyes, and these reviews will get deleted. So it really is up to you how you go about getting these initial reviews. But the only clean cut way to 100% know that you're not breaking Amazon's terms of service is to simply make sales off your product, then follow up with an email asking customers to leave an honest review, and to have insert cards inside your product's packaging so that your customers will be asked to leave a product review on Amazon when they receive your product. And I shot a video earlier before any of this came out explaining about the product reviews in 2018 and how you should go about getting product reviews, or how I would advise from my experience about going out getting product reviews. And I will link up that video below this video so that you can jump over and check out that and see the most legitimate ways that you can go about getting product reviews. But for now, I hope that this video has answered a lot of the different rumors that are out there in regards to Amazon product reviews, and explains to you exactly what is going on inside Amazon, what they're kind of doing at the moment in regards to combating fraudulent reviews, because I know that Amazon have got a lot of bad press about this, about sellers getting fraudulent reviews. So it is something that Amazon are keen to cut out and clamp down on, and they will continue to do this going into the future. So I hope that this video has cleared up a lot of this for you. And now I'm going to jump back. I'm currently updating the unique private label course. This course will be updated and open to new members again very soon. The advanced private label course is a bit further off, but I will get the unique private label course set up and available for new members to join extremely soon. So if you're interested in joining this, then click on the link down in the description to the unique private label course, and I will email you as soon as this is open. And that's what I'm going to be doing for the day. I'm going to be updating this course so that it will be updated and showing you all the latest methods in regards to setting up your product listing, finding products on Amazon, going out and launching your product to the top of Amazon, as well as everything you need to know in regards to talking with manufacturers, getting your freight forwarder, getting your product sent to Amazon, and using the latest methods that are actually working today in regards to getting your product up to the top of Amazon and selling organically well on Amazon. So I will leave that link in the description below. Again, the advanced private label course is currently closed and this won't be open for another while. It'll be after the unique private label course, but I will leave a link down in the description below if you're already selling on Amazon and you want to know the more advanced strategies for growing your brand, increasing your sales, increasing your profit on and off Amazon. Then I will leave a link to the advanced private label course, and you can click on that and leave your email address, and I will email you as soon as I open that course as well. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I look forward to speaking to you on the next one.